Small modular reactors, in a lot of ways, are like Legos. They are manufactured off-site in modules, much like Legos are manufactured in pieces. They're brought onto a site and then assembled. They're also standardized, much like a lot of Lego pieces are identical and they all fit together very nicely. Small modular reactors allow for the standardization of nuclear power plants. A single design you can replicate multiple times. And with factory fabrication, you get really good precision, which improves quality. So by standardizing the design, modular fabrication, and delivering these to a site for installation, you can drive at a cost and schedule with more certainty. If there's one thing that's plagued the nuclear industry, it's that we have not done a good job at building plants on time and on budget. And with small modular reactors, we have the ability to do that. Standardization, modularity, and then delivering projects on time and on budget.